Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make chicken tenders. They are so easy to make. You're going to need about a pound of chicken tenders. That's about 8 to 10 chicken tenders. But you can also use chicken breasts, just cut them into 1-inch strips. Then place them aside, and now in a medium bowl, I have half a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and mix together. Now in a small bowl, I have 2 eggs. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water and whisk together. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of paprika, and lastly half a teaspoon of garlic powder and mix together. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then place the chicken into the flour, tossing to coat, and shake off any excess flour. Then dip into the egg wash. And finally into the breadcrumbs, and using your hands to press to help coat the chicken strips. Then place on your prepared baking sheet and continue this process for all the chicken tenders. Now you can either place them on a rimmed baking sheet that has a baking rack and you want to lightly spray with non-stick spray, or you can just use a baking sheet, making sure to spray the sheet. Once you have all the chicken tenders on your prepared baking sheet, lightly spray with non-stick spray. Then bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown and chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165. Now if you prefer a darker coating, you can broil the chicken for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. While the chicken tenders are in the oven, I'm going to show you our favorite dipping sauce for these chicken tenders. In a small bowl, I have half a cup of mayo. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of honey, and lastly a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika and mix together. This honey mustard dipping sauce is delicious. And these chicken tenders are ready. Now if you would like to make these in the air fryer, I have the instructions how to do so in the full written recipe down below. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!